Yeah, guys, I know I look horrible. I look a gangster, yeah? So, hi guys, how are you? I hope that you're fine, that you're doing fantastic. I'm also fine, I'm doing great. I really thank God for that. Yeah, so guys, welcome to yet another vlog. My name is Eva. The channel goes by the name This is Eva. So if you are new in this channel, welcome, and if you are coming back, friend, you mean a lot to my channel, and thank you so much for coming back. So to the new subscribers, thank you so much. I cannot be able to say thanks enough. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe. In this channel, I do things to do with skincare, DIYs, lifestyle, and anything that entails life. So make sure that you're part of the family by subscribing. So it's free and it doesn't cost you anything. So please make sure that you subscribe. Yeah, so guys, I also want to say thank you so much for those of you who watched my previous videos. You left a comment, we were able to interact, and I really loved that. So today I'm back in today's vlog. I'm so excited about today's vlog because it's a DIY, and you know I really love DIYs. Just to do a DIY on how you can be able to make your skin glow using natural products that are right in your kitchen, products that are right in your pantry, or products that are readily available. Because at times some people may not be able to do their own skincare simply because maybe they don't have the cash to buy the products and the best products for their skin. Remember, I always insist, make sure that you are using products that are best for your skin. Yeah, so the first thing that I'm going to start with is cleansing, then I'm going to exfoliate, and then I'm going to apply a mask. So guys, I want to put these to put my hair like that, so at the same time I still want to look cute, so I'm really trying to fix it well, to fix it good. So guys, now this is my face after the whole day. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to use raw milk. Here is my raw milk. I'm going to use raw milk as cleanser. It's going to act as my cleanser. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this cotton, and then I'm going to dip it like this, and then from there I'm going to apply it on my face slowly but sure. So guys, milk contains lactic acid, and lactic acid is very good in deep cleansing the pores of the skin. At the same time, it removes acne bacteria from the skin. So if you have an acne prone type of a skin, using milk as your cleanser can be a very good idea. So there you have the hack. You don't have to buy very expensive cleansers. So I'm hoping that everybody can be able to access milk. So here it is. You can see it has already removed my makeup. Remember, cotton is very soft, and that is why I'm using it on my face, and because it's not going to be rough on the skin. Yeah, so this is the first one. I'm going to throw these away, and then I dip another one just to ensure that I have done it good, or just to ensure that I have cleansed everything, like I've not left any impurities. Guys, this type of ingredients are really going to give your skin a glowing skin, and especially if you're using them daily, or you're consistent with them. Remember, they are not harsh on the skin because they are natural. They don't have any chemicals, so it's upon you to choose what do you want, and at the same time, what works best for your skin, because what works for my skin might not work for your own skin. Yeah, so I'm now going to rinse it off using lukewarm water, and then we go to the second step, or the second procedure, or the second, whichever word you give it. Yeah, so guys, I've already washed my face using lukewarm water. Now what I'm going to do is scrub my face using coffee scrub. Yeah, so I've added coconut oil on this coffee scrub, and one of the importances of coffee scrub on the skin is it increases the glow, it reduces inflammation, at the same time it gets rid of dead skin. So guys, even if you don't have coffee in your house, you can be able to buy hoping that you can be able to buy like a small packet of Nescafe. That is, so just scrub everywhere, just slowly, make sure that you are gentle. Guys, this area can really disappoint you. You see this area? At the same time, when you're scrubbing your face, ensure that you don't touch this area under your eyes. Yeah, to avoid wrinkles and all that. Then the other area that really disappoints is this area. I don't know what is with this area with black heads, white heads. I don't know. Or is it my skin only? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Oops. I look funny. But I don't mind, because I know the glow that is going to come from this procedure. Hey, leave it alone. Let me wash it off, and then after that we mask, and we will be done. We are almost there. So guys, I've already washed my face, so the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to make the mask. And today specifically, I'm going to make yogurt mask. That's what I'm going to apply for that glow. Remember, yogurt really makes your skin to brighten up. So I'm going to use this yogurt, 1 tablespoon, and then I'm going to add honey. Oops, my honey is almost finished. So So then I mix. So yogurt really brightens the skin. At the same time, honey prevents inflammation of the skin. So these two are very important to the skin. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a little bit of aloe vera gel. So that one is to make the product to hold in together. So you make sure that you mix so well. I'm going to use this blush to apply it on my skin. It might not be really visible, but at least you can see I'm applying something now. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to let this one sit for like 20 minutes or 10 minutes, and then now I'll be back. Yeah, so guys, it's already past 15 minutes. So my mask has already dried, like it's dry, so I want to rinse it off. Sorry. So I want to rinse it off, and then from there I'm going to moisturize my skin. Yeah, so guys, I've already washed my face. Can you tell about that? Can you see that? Can you see the difference, guys? Then I apply my moisturizer and I extend the grace, the goodness to my neck. Night cream, my eye cream. Guys, can you tell? Look at that glow. But seriously, look at that girl. Look at that. So guys, we have come to the end of the vlog. I hope that you have enjoyed the vlog. I also hope that you are going to try out these products, or you are going to incorporate them in your own skincare routine. Please make sure that you do. Also in the comment section, let me know, what do you think about these products? What do you think about this type of skincare routine, or the natural skincare routine? Can you be able to do it? Do you think it's best for your skin, or what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, until the next vlog, see you. But before that, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Until next time, bye bye.